Hi everyone! So today I have a new video and it's on Lego. Yeah, I like Lego but my mom doesn't. She thinks it's too tiny and they go everywhere. But this one actually went really well. It didn't go anywhere. So this is what I made. Oh wait, first I'll show you the box. Well, I already did something first, but so here's the box. So you can see what it comes with here, and here's people. Well, one is a mermaid cat, and this is what you get, what you make. And then here's a boat, and this is what you can play, and this is what you can play. It's cool how they give you a head. So I'm gonna show you now. So this is the boat. Looks cute. And I sometimes like to turn this around, so it's like I can put like ice creams and stuff on this, and it's like a buffet. But I'm gonna turn it around. It's a clever idea, huh? Now, this is a cute little kitty octopus. And there's a little slide. So I like to put it on the box. And so I'm just going to show you here. I'm just going to get something so I have a better angle. There is nothing like a better angle. Is that better, guys? Do you think it's better? So, on the box. And now I have it on the box. And I like to put it down so the people can slide. So these are the things I put in here. So I have the 2 extra lids. And searching for one of these. So we got 3 of these. Oh, drop them. Gotta catch them before I lose them. They're so tiny. You get what I mean now, don't you? Hope you do. And here is some extra kitty ears that we'll be putting on her. I have more, but I took them off. I think I left them downstairs in my living room. But so here she is. Here is the Gabby that I have. So cute! And this is her with the hair. Oh, here she is. She looks so cute and like a mermaid, but she's just missing the mermaid tail. Whoop! Dropped her. So, sorry, that's my brother talking if you heard him. Now, I have this. It's got a little crab. Now, I'll show you one more thing. Just wait. Sorry, I know that's mean. But, just wait for me. Oh, sorry. I forgot. I'm going to show you this. So, in packet 1, you go through the tour of the boat. How to make the boat. So, it's pretty easy steps. It's not like the Legos you usually do. It's very short and easy. But if you jinx it, that's bad. Now, here is the packet 2, where you go through the tour of the salon. Well, the spa room. Spa science, you know? So here is one of mercat's potion bottles. It's very cute. This, I'll just show you. So I can just show you the potion. Now, let me go look for something. Just give me a second. here is Mercat. He's very cute. And her face is very smooth. Don't tell anyone. That's just me and you. If you tell anyone, I'll cancel this video. But it's going to 158 people, so actually I don't think that many people watch this channel. But one day there might be. So here's a brush. It's the brush. So you can brush your hair. It would be weird if you were brushing Mercat. She doesn't have hair. That's just a fly. He flies as mean. They're mean to me. So this is what I got for my birthday. One of my cousins. So that's all for today. But first I'm going to show you the date of today so you can keep track of what day it is. So that's what I'm going to start doing. So I'll take you over so you can see the date of today. And the date of today. So it's the 11th of January 2004. I mean, not 2004, I'm so dumb. 2024. Not 2000, but 2024. Thanks everyone for watching. That's all for today.